So, Namaskaram friends. In this video, I am going to talk about wildlife sanctuary, national parks, and protected area, reserve area. All these are come under it. So, why wildlife sanctuary, national parks are important? Because in wildlife sanctuary, national park, different types of plants are grown, animals are grown. They are like a home for many plants, many animals. So, if we protect it in its true form and without human interference, then they grow in its true nature and we gain some knowledge, some ideas, some perspective. We develop our scientific research there, our and because when plant, animal are available in their true form, not any interference with the human being, then it is very helpful in understanding the nature, in understanding the life, in understanding the evolution. So protecting national park, wildlife sanctuary, knowing about it is not a just matter of a, you can say, it is not a matter of just resources or not a just a basic knowledge, it is a deep knowledge. So if we protect our national park, our wildlife sanctuary, so it is helpful for religious significance, for spiritual significance, for human well-being, for the nature, for the plant, for the life, and understanding nature, how this phenomena is going on, how evolution takes place. When we interfere into it, we can say we destroy the originality of anything. That's why it is important. So this is just an idea behind protecting national park and wildlife sanctuary. But in this video, I am going to talk about three important wildlife sanctuary and national park which are situated in India and why it is significant is they what is why it is significant and what is the commonality between all these national parks and wildlife sanctuary. Here I am not going to talk about all wildlife sanctuary, all national parks, but I just tell you the core idea behind protecting national park, wildlife sanctuary, and why we read it, understand it, and why we protect it in different parts of the country, in different parts of the world. Okay, so wildlife sanctuary and national parks. Thal Wildlife Sanctuary, a name of a wildlife sanctuary, Sultanpur National Park, and Vindhwas Wildlife Sanctuary. So two wildlife sanctuaries, Thal, Vindhwas, and Sultanpur Wildlife Sanctuary are Ramsar sites and birding sites. So all Thal Wildlife Sanctuary, which is situated in Gujarat, Sultanpur National Park in Haryana, Vindhwana Wildlife Sanctuary in Haryana. So all three are the Ramsar sites. Ramsar site, a site for wetlands, for protecting wetlands, and it is first the idea of Ramsar site is first proposed in Iran, okay, by group of members from different country and are a birding site. So here it is important is all these three are common in all these three are they are Ramsar site as well as birding sites. And Thal Lake is an artificial lake located in Gujarat. And in Thal Wildlife Sanctuary there is a Thal Lake, which is an artificial lake. Artificial lake has been made by human being and it is located in Gujarat. So remember, through picture you can remember this is a picture of Thal. This is a picture of Thal Wildlife Sanctuary. Okay, so you can see here uh, birds, birding sites. This is a picture of Sultanpur National Park. Here you can again see the birds, and this is a picture of Vindhwasa Wildlife Sanctuary. Here you can again see birds. So all these three are birding sites as well as Ramsar site, because all clearly see this picture look like a wetland, na? Look like a wetland, and Ramsar site is for protecting wetlands. So in this picture you can clearly see look like a wetland and birding sites. All Sultanpur also look like a wetland and birding site, and Vindhwas also look like a wetland and birding site. And this is a Thal lake, artificial lake created in the third wildlife sanctuary, which is located in Gujarat. So I hope you understand the whole idea about wildlife, protecting wildlife sanctuary national park, and three important wildlife sanctuary national park. Thol Wildlife Sanctuary in Gujarat, and in here a Thol artificial lake, Thol lake is created. Sultanpur National Park, Haryana, and Vindhwasa, Vindhwasa Wildlife Sanctuary, again in Haryana. Commonality in all these three are they are Ramsar site as well as birding sites. So just yeah, just it yeah. Now we are going to solve one question based on it. With reference to Sultanpur National Park, we see it Thorn Wildlife Sanctuary and Vindhwasa Wildlife Sanctuary. Consider the following statement. All of their birding sites, yes. All of them are Ramsar sites, yes. All of them are naturally formed wetland, no. We know that Thal is Thal Lake is artificial lake, so not naturally formed. All of them are not. Maybe I do not know. Maybe Sultanpur National Park and Vindwasa Wildlife Sanctuary are naturally formed, but we know that Thal is not. So this option is incorrect. So option 1 and 2 is correct. That means option A is correct. Just check we are on the right path or not. Option A is correct. That means we are on the right path. So I hope you love this video, you enjoy this video and gain some perspective, some knowledge out of it. About Wildlife Sanctuary National Park, Thol Wildlife Sanctuary, the Sultanpur National Park, Vindwasa Wildlife Sanctuary, they are birding sites, Ramsar sites, and Thol Lake, which is artificially created in the Thol Wildlife Sanctuary. So I hope you love it, you enjoy it, and gain some perspective out of it. So Namaskaram. Thank you.